Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we will see the latest application that was just released by Samsung called Galaxy EnhanceX. With this latest application, now you can edit photos with more settings than usual in the gallery. There are many new settings that you can immediately use with this application for your various photos. Okay, now let's see what are the functions and features available in this latest application. To get the latest application called Galaxy EnhanceX, you can directly download it via the Galaxy Store. You can just open Galaxy Store, then type Galaxy EnhanceX. After downloading, you can immediately open the application and you can immediately use this application to edit photos in the gallery. You can enhance your photos with one tap only with this application. Then there is also a feature that makes previously dark image brighter. In addition, this application can also improve your blurry photos to be more detailed. Then for photos that you usually take from laptop screen that have lines like this, it can also be fixed with the latest EnhanceX application. And now we will try the features one by one and see the difference between the photos edited with this application. And in this first screen, we can directly select photos in the gallery for us to edit in this application. And after selecting this photo, this is the appearance of the latest EnhanceX application on Samsung phones that you can immediately use to edit photos. For the first photo condition, here is taken when sunset on the seashore. And here on the bottom right, there is an automatic button which will immediately detect the condition of the photo and will immediately correct the photo automatically. Here we will try this automatic feature and see the difference. For this feature, it is quite similar to the remaster picture feature in the Samsung Gallery previously. And here is the photo after we fix it with the automatic feature in this latest application. Here we will save the photo by clicking the down arrow button on the top right, then select original and press the save button. And now you can see the change in the left photo are the before and the right ones after we fix it with this application. For other features, there is also an HDR feature that you can directly select, and just by pressing the HDR button, the photo will immediately add a high dynamic range effect, and here you just have to choose the HDR level you want. You can see the color of the sky quite brightly at level 4, and here you can also choose a moderate level which is level 2. For the difference after we add the HDR effect, you can also immediately see the following comparison. For other features, here there is also a brighter feature to make photos brighter. You can also directly select the brightness level here, and the setting will be automatically adjusted in your photo. So the only setting you choose is the intensity, while the display in the photo will be automatically adjusted in this application. Here for example, we choose level 4. Then for other features, you can also fix blur for blurry photos. Then in the more menu, there are also several other features. There is fix more. For fix more, this is to fix photos that you take from the monitor screen, which will appear the effect of stripes from the monitor. So if your photo has lines like this and you want to improve the quality, you can take advantage of this feature by clicking the more menu, then select fix more. Then this application will immediately analyze the photo and try to improve your photo. And the result for the lines that were in the photo, now it is much better than before with this feature. Here we can see a comparison of the photos that we have fixed and before we fixed them. The photos are quite good enough and much better with this application. Then for other features in the more menu, there are also face and portrait features. Especially in portrait photos like this, when you select the face menu, there are several settings that you can choose. There is a smoothness option which you can change the intensity. Then there is also the tone and jawline features. And there is also the eyes features that you can use. This setting is quite similar to the beauty effects in the camera application. Then for the portrait feature on the far right, its function is to add a portrait effect from a taken photo without a portrait effect with quite a lot of additional effects. The choice of effect is almost exactly the same as the choice of portrait photo effects on your smartphone camera. So in this application, you can take advantage of various AI features that are available on Samsung phones that were previously in the gallery application. And now it has been put together in one application to make it easier to use. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.